Hello, I'm Paulo Shakarian, and I'm a professor at Syracuse University. And in this pitch, I will be proposing an emerging trends topic on artificial metacognition. I have been studying metacognition for the last 3 years. I have run 2 workshops on the topic and published an edited volume. In the talk, I will begin by covering the requisite concepts in cognitive psychology. This will include things like metacognitive cues, the little hints that tell humans when to start a metacognitive process, metacognitive monitoring, how those cues are managed, metacognitive control, how humans make decisions about allocation of cognitive resources, and communication of metacognitive state, how we communicate our metacognitive notions to others to accomplish a common goal. I've noticed that a lot of seminal work in cognitive psychology on this topic goes uncited in computer science and AI papers. And part of my goal of this presentation would be to expose more people to some of this important work. The next part of the talk will be about metacognitive monitoring. So the bulk of AI research around metacognition has been in this vein. And this has included training models to detect errors, critique models from LLMs, and the use of consistency techniques to identify errors from the logic community. We see here an example of this from last year's AAAI paper on inductive learning using reflection. In the next part of the talk, I'll delve into some metacognitive architecture. So these are systems that not only monitor, but make some kind of decision based on that monitoring. And these come from a variety of disciplines, such as cognitive modeling, like ACT-R. Shown on the slide, we have an example from hyperdimensional computing that's not normally seen at conferences like AAAI. And I'll also cover some of the work that has appeared in the traditional AI venues, such as abductive learning and my work on error detection rules. We'll conclude the talk by discussing avenues of further inquiry, and these will primarily be ideas from the cognitive science literature that have not been explored from an AI perspective, in particular metacognitive control. How do we allocate computational resources based on metacognition, communication of metacognitive state, how metacognition can be used in a multi-agent system, in other words. I've twice organized and shared workshops on metacognition that have had interdisciplinary involvement. And a lot of the ideas for this talk has stemmed from both the presentations and the sidebar coffee conversations I've had at these workshops. I've also edited a volume on the topic, and I maintain a metacognition resource website. So thank you again for listening to my pitch, and I hope to see you in Singapore.